Welcome traders, this is Patrick from Trading123. In this video we're going to talk about trading crude oil here on February 9th, 2022. Basically we were trading 3 contracts with a stop of 20, goal of 800 due to the wider range of crude oil and a loss of 500. So we initiated a strategy here right around 10:14 while I was in a downtrend. You either started in an uptrend or downtrend. Then the trend change came. We got long. Strategy got long. Hit its first target, second target. And then the third was the runner, which hit our max daily goal. And that's how the AutoTrader works. Now with the AutoTrader, there's no restrictions on the software. You can trade one contract or you can trade 10 or 20 or 30 and set whatever dollar amount you want as far as profit and loss. So let's take a look at the strategy performance for the trade. Here's a screenshot. And basically you see our total net profit was $816, $13 in commission. Made 3 trades, 100% profit, and potential profit on a monthly basis should you do this every day with that dollar figure amount. So these patterns pretty much repeat in crude oil and the other futures. And the AutoTrader was set up to take advantage of the move. Crude oil's been trending up the past couple weeks due to this Russia and Ukraine threat causing oil prices to rise. I think oil right now here is $3.59 a gallon. 4 years ago it was $2. So let's look at another trade we did on crude oil on this date. And so right after that trade finished, we just reset the strategy as it was climbing to the highs here. Now, there's one thing about trading you need to learn is, when these major moves happen in the market, and if you examine the chart in crude oil, the major moves happen, they don't happen at the open. The market goes sideways for the first 20-25 minutes. So they happen later in the day, and those are your best times to trade. With the AutoTrader, you just don't turn it on at 9:30 and let it go. You want to trade the most opportune times where the market is moving. And so here we go after a big up move in crude oil. You're going to get some profit taking, and that's exactly what happened here. We reset the strategy quickly using the same 3 contracts. Took a little while for the trend change. It broke down, got short, hit our first profit target, and you notice our trail stop, we got it dialed in. Every day we dial this in, and if this would have got hit here, if we had it too close, then we need to, add 2 or 4 ticks to it. So this was a nice move, protected our profits, and then we caught the rest of the leg down until we hit our profit goal. So that's our second trade of the day on crude oil, and total profit was $796 minus commission. And you see we have the time in sales with the screenshot of the chart to show you that it was not a market replay or some backtest bullshit that others do. A real live trade. And here is the strategy performance for the trade. Total net profit $796, commission $13.56. Made 3 trades, 100% winner on a nice down move, and potential profits on a monthly basis over 24K in a 30-day time frame. So we did one more trade on crude oil, and let's take a look at that one. So after those first two trades between 10:30 and 11, we like to give the market a little break, reflect on whether we want to do one more trade after 11 and or call it a day because we had a nice profit gain. So here we start the auto trader after 11 while it's in an uptrend. Very simple to do. You start it in an uptrend or downtrend, so when the trend changes, you catch the next trend. How hard is that? So it takes a while for the strategy to trigger a trade here and get short. And once it does, price action, starts to sell off. And you see here's our trail stop where it started, our trail stop. We got it. So you don't want it triggering right away. So after so many ticks, it kicks in. Because if you had it trailed by like 8 ticks, you would have been whacked right here. Whack-a-mole would have showed up and hit you with the sledgehammer. So that's why you got to dial this in. And we give you the settings pretty much to use. So it's not too hard to dial it in. Like I said, if you're off, you're getting stopped, you just raise it a couple more ticks if the market is extremely volatile. So we get a nice sell-off to our first target, second target, and then we're using a runner again. As you see how profitable the runner is, it sells off and boom, hits our target. Little slippage there, we end up with 776 profit. And this is our third trade on crude oil. And then here's
New visitor.
Here's the strategy performance for this trade. 776.44, commission 13.56, made 3 trades, 100% winners, and potential profits per month over 23K on a 30-day basis. So that's how the Trading123 AutoTrader works. And a nice trade. And it's all about timing, as you know, as a trader. If your timing's off, you're going to get stopped out and lose. We have a full manual on market timing, and just like I said, after the first 2 trades we had at 10:30, we wait till after 11. No need to jump right in and give profits back. You gotta, let the market exhaust itself after a big run up, and that's exactly what happened here. So this is Patrick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trading tips and videos, and like us on social media on Facebook and Twitter. And we'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your trading.